name is Richard Meller. I'm the product specialist for Denford Limited. Today this will be a short video showing the Denford PCB Engraver. The machine is used for the easy and safe manufacture of the PCB board directly from the Gerber file, and it will also engrave on a wide range of materials directly from a 2D design. The key features of the machine are that the machine uses no chemicals at all that's usually involved in etching. The guards are fully interlocked. We've got a full emergency stop switch. The machine comes with a floating head, which will make sure that the PCB can be cut if the board is undulated at all. The tools can be changed very quickly and easily by removing one spindle motor and putting another one in. The software that the machine uses is very easy to use and is intuitive. Here we have some samples that have previously been done on this machine, used in our prototype and R&D work. These were all made on the Denford PCB Engraver. As I mentioned before as well, it can also be used for engraving on different materials, and this is also a sample that we've done before on this machine. If you have any further questions regarding the Denford PCB Engraver or any of the other Denford products, please contact us on sales@denford.co.uk. Thank you for listening.